Hello, everyone. Soon we shall be entering the month of May, and I have noticed a marked shift in the energy just from the last couple of days. I've been marveling about how miraculously well we are getting along, despite being in our quarantine. Happy with each other? If you're getting antsy and finding it hard to access patients, well, it may be helpful to know that last Saturday, that is the 18th of April, Aries had a guest Mercury where it is going to be until the April 27th, bringing a marked shift from watery emotional Pisces into becoming more focused and sometimes aggressive. Now, this aggressiveness can be constructive as well as destructive. The choice is yours. So be a little patient, deliberate yourself into patience. Knowing this can help you find compassion for yourself and others, as well as healthy outlets for the abundance of the fiery energy as we work through this extraordinary time. I do hope that my past live sessions that I was trying and endeavoring providing for you with some relief and perspective during these really challenging times. Now, during these times of upheaval, the guidance of astrology has been a lifeline for me, and that is what I have tried to extend it to my audience because for me, the more I share, the more I feel. And since we are all undergoing the same universal phenomena, we just need to be patient and realize that yes, these energies are probably working with everyone. So we need to mellow down a little bit and probably be more creative within ourselves. This is a good thing about Pluto turning retrograde on April 25th. It is that whatever crisis you have been struggling with these past 6 months will retreat back in the dark corner from where it had come. Retrogrades mark a change in planetary disposition, a time when what was on is called off. We often think of retrogrades as upsets in our routine because things don't go according to the plan, like with the Mercury retrograde, for instance. However, retrogrades can also switch from being reactive to proactive. Make the necessary adjustments, the bold moves, the decisive choices you need to make to ensure that you are leading with your best foot forward is to be well armed. So Pluto comes out of the retrograde on October 4th. So we have all these months where we can actually relive in ourselves or reorganize ourselves or re-strategize ourselves, take advantage of the Pluto's retrograde. Well, the month of May for the Capricorn, don't let a financial their way through treacherous terrain. It's you. Let others lament the shrinking streams of revenue and browning green pastures. You were born under the sign of the mountain goat. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And it's by raising your sights, not lowering them, that you'll spot a new peak to summit on. And this is all happening after April 26th. So the month of May is bound to be far fetched and it's bound to feel impossible. But this also means that if you go at it, you will actually reach where you want to reach. And the month of May will exactly show you where you should be going or heading next. So it forecasts an excellent month. Romance and celebrations will be dominant until the 20th of the month. After that, career and job-oriented activities will keep you busy. Planetary concentration lies in the southern sector of the horoscope. As a result, psychological issues and domestic affairs will be important. There will be celebrations in the family before the 10th of May. Renovations and furnishing the house will be on the agenda. Now, your personality will be dependent on your social intelligence this month. Cooperation and compromise will get things done for you. This is due to the fact that the majority of the planets are in the western half of the chart. Independence and personal interests will have to wait. Capricorn compatibility will be enhanced with more creativity. Charitable activities will occupy your attention in addition to professional responsibilities. In regards to your love and relationships, it's an ecstatic month after the 20th of May. Love will be intimate with your spouse and you can make it more enjoyable with originality. There will be radical changes for the better in your marital life. Existing relationships will continue for the singles. If you are searching for a new relationship, you will have many possibilities and social activities will reach a peak this month. In regards to your family, though the month does not show very encouraging prospects, but relationships with siblings may not be delightful and you must avoid confrontations. Family cordiality will be disturbed by the conflicts between senior members of the family. You should take conciliatory steps to maintain peace and harmony in the family atmosphere. In regards to your health, well, it does not foretell any serious health afflictions. The planetary aspects are encouraging, and minor illnesses can be treated with routine medical assistance. You should be regular with your exercise and diet routines. Avoid unnecessary strain and take care of your emotional well-being. In regards of your career, it's very encouraging for the career prospects. There'll be hectic activity in your professional happen because they say your intention bears results. In regards to your travel, not a very optimistic month for traveling. However, business travel may be quite profitable. Travel for higher education abroad will result in financial losses, so try to abstain from it. Pleasure trips may not be enjoyable. It is advisable to postpone your trips to a more favorable date. So, good luck for this month till we meet for the next. Well, before we come to an end of the month of May, I really want you all to know that you'll be happy to note that I have officially launched my School of Astrology program, wherein I would be teaching my way, that is Dolly Mangat's way of astrological learnings. I would be sharing my experiences, my learnings, and my explanation of the planets with you all. You could visit my website to apply for the course. The evaluation of the applications is in process as the teachings or the classes are starting from the 8th May 2020. And of course, for best dates, career, honey, and money, as usual, they're on my website. Last but not the least, for any further information and intimations, you are requested to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me, it will always be beneficial for your well being, as self awareness leads to the great transformation of life. Life is what you make of it.